Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome if you're new here, and welcome back if you're coming back to watch another one of my videos. So in this video, as I said in my last video where I made the dal and rice, that I was going to be making a dish from this comment that Akshay left. And the dish I decided to make is Pani Puri. It's a dish I'm familiar with. My husband has made it a couple of times and I love it. I remember the first time he made it, it was really spicy for me. Before I met him, I steered away from spicy food. I just couldn't do it. But with him, I learned how to eat some spicy food. And in this recipe, I only use 2 green chilies for the puri, but now I can do like 4 or 5 chilies. So that's a big step for me. But of course, if you like spicy, you can add 10, 12, 20 chilies. I don't know, but that's what I'm going to be making in this video. So make sure you guys are still commenting down below other dishes that you want to see me try, because I love to try them. And I'm also going to be having my husband try the dish at the end of the video again, so make sure you stick around to see what he thinks of my Pani Puri. Again, thanks for watching, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so we're gonna get started on our Pani Puri, and like before, this is gonna be a recipe that my husband showed me. So this is a little bit of a quicker version of Pani Puri, one that we just make at home when we're feeling like we want some and we just want to get it done kind of quick. So this is the recipe he just showed me, so we're gonna make that. So what I did was I soaked a cup and a half of the white watana overnight, and we're gonna go ahead and put it in the pressure cooker, and we're gonna give it 4 whistles in the pressure cooker, and then we're just gonna add some water that's just gonna cover the surface of the watana, and we're gonna add a little bit of oil and then about a teaspoon of salt. So let's do that. Okay guys, so now while we wait for the white watana to boil, we are going to go ahead and get started on the Pani Puri. So for that, according to the recipe, we're going to need 2 green chilies, half a cup of coriander leaves, 3 cups of mint, some cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of the Pani Puri masala, some salt. So let's go ahead and work on that. It's cooked, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so now we're going to get ready on the tadka. So all we did was just add some oil into the pan, about 1 tablespoon of the oil, and now we're going to go ahead and add some jeera. It's going to be about 1 teaspoon of the jeera. About a pinch of hing, about that much. And just mix that up a little bit. And I also cut up some cilantro and a little bit of onion. We're going to add that to it. Now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of garam masala, and then 1 teaspoon of this coriander and cumin powder. And then we're gonna add about half teaspoon of this degi mirch. I'm gonna go ahead and add the cooked vatana now. We're just gonna add some salt, not sauce for taste. Now we're gonna cover it and we're gonna put it on medium low and we're gonna let it boil for about 6 minutes. Okay, our sagra is done, so I'm just gonna garnish it with some cilantro and tomatoes that I've cut up here. Everything's ready. I'm gonna serve it and then we're gonna have my husband try it. Now we have everything ready. I'm gonna have my husband try everything. We have the ragra, the tamarind chutney, our puris, and of course our pani. Okay guys, so everything's all ready and I have my husband Nimesh here again.
Hello guys.
And he's gonna go ahead and try the pani puri.
Thank you so much for cooking. Thank you so much. I'm excited to try. Grab some ragra. It's really good.
It's really good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Thank you. Thanks for trying.
Amazing. I'm gonna eat them all.
Awesome. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Again, these are just recipes that my husband has showed me, that he's tried before in the kitchen, that he's made with his family back home in India. So this is not like the only way to make it. These are just recipes that we like here, and we just add things or take away things as we like them, and this is just one of the ways that we like to make it. So again, I hope you guys really enjoyed. Also, make sure that you guys are commenting down below some dishes that you would like to see me try, because I really would love to try them. Also, make sure that you guys are checking out my other videos where I made dal and rice and where I made dosa sambar. This is a new channel, so I really would love you guys' support, and thank you so much for the support you've already given me. I see we have a lot of new friends here, so thank you so much for subscribing. Make sure you like this video and share if you like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.